Funny how destiny works sometimes. One random day, our path just crossed. We were just two college kids rushing to Jollibee, both wearing the same uniform. Isang simpleng banggaan lang sa Jollibee, pero parang tumigil sandali yung mundo.
Ay, sorry nga pala kanina.
No, it's okay.
Can I have your name?
I did.
Nan.
One smile, one seat shared, and suddenly, everything felt right. Same favorite, same laughter, same moment that started it all. Who would thought something as simple as Johnny Spaghetti could taste like love?
Dreaming was forget, just a childish thing. And I could swear love is just a game that children play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. I believe in every word that you say. I love you all the way. Now I could swear love is not a game.
Hi, Tin. Matagal ko nang gusto sabihin sa ito. Tin, gusto kita. Ay, hindi. Masyado mabilis. Kaya ko to.
Sorry, late. Na-traffic lang.
Okay lang. Alam mo, this is your favorite.
Thank you, Jan. As always. May gusto akong sabihin. Hindi, sige ako nakadala na.
Hindi, sige, ikaw na.
Jan, gusto ko ikaw ang unang makaalam nito.
Okay, ano mo?
Salamat. Salamat. Kasi lagi ka nandyan. And for being my best friend.
Wala yun. Oh, ba? Alam mo naman ang willing to give my everything to you.
Kaya gusto ko, ikaw ang unang makaalam. Malapit na ako ikasal. Sana makapunta ka.
Congrats!
Pumunta ka yan, ikaw ang kukunin kong best man dyan.
Siyempre!
Oo nga pala, ano yung sasabihin mo kanina?
Wala. Wala yun. I'm happy for you.
May sasabihin ka pa ba?
Wala.
Sige, kung wala na, alis na ako.
Ingat.
Nakita na lang tayo sa wedding.
Till I met you, I never knew what love was.
Minsan, yung akala mong simula, yun na pala yung huli.